Hello guys and welcome back to Cooking with DBfamily. So today we are going to make a very delicious recipe with eggplant. You need eggplant, olive oil, salt and black pepper powder, rosemary dry, oregano dry and green coriander. Let's go. Cut the eggplant in half and square it lengthwise and then the opposite way. Drizzle off some olive oil and salt. Place them face side down and bake until nice and caramelized. Now make this super delicious yogurt by adding oregano, salt, red chili, and fresh coriander. Now mix olive oil, coriander, oregano, rosemary, and salt together and spread it over the eggplant. Now enjoy and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below. See you in the next video. Bye!